Good morning, day one. Keith's in safe. It's a beautiful day, I am thinking. So, here we are. Outfit of the day.
I'm the coordinator.
There you go. Neither am I, really. Where are we off to today, Keithy?
We're away to MGM Studios or Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studios.
We have
Whoop, whoop.
bookings.
I'm hoping to get on Rise of the Resistance.
First thing, yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're heading first thing. So we're going to take you through the hotel and onto the bus and then see Hollywood Studios. Just round there. This is the walkway, and I think we've steamed up. Steamed up, Keith. We're here.
We're waiting in Rise.
How does it feel?
It still feels weird.
It still feels weird,
2 years in Albania.
Yep. I felt a tad of mosh coming round.
This wasn't even built.
Well, it wasn't open.
Like open test runs we'd often
Oh, 45-minute wait for this one. We were just straight here, bus at 7:30. Then what did we do? Just it's okay, and just got right here. Haha. my god. The first order happens. The first order. Oh no. Oh my god, Zach's gonna... He'd blow his mind at this, but he will. He will get it.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base. Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Keith?
That was really good.
Oh.
Since 45-minute wait, wasn't a 45-minute wait?
No, that's for sure.
Half an hour tops.
Wow. Oh.
That was the best.
It really was. It was one of the best rides I've been on. Just amazing. Oh. I'm just in awe. In awe of that ride. In awe.
It's 55 minutes.
We're gonna have a look.
It is 55.
I never had $2.99 yens though. I like how the army guy's holding up the glue. And he's clawing up on the wall. Hi. Hi, Dale.
The one that's across the Toy Story. That's what we're just literally out of in the Toy Story.
Runaway Mania's down, technical difficulties. So we came to see Chip and Dale.
Who's Chip? And who's Dale? That's not Alvin and Chip.
Is that Alvin?
No. Dale. No, ahorita.
Just saw Chip and Dale. So heading to Starbucks. Starbucks queue out the door. But there's loads of people just heading in the now, so I think that's what it is, Keith?
It's getting really busy all of a sudden.
So we're going to go to the marketplace.
Just outside Halloween.
Yeah. See if we can get something to eat. Ooh. So we got churros instead. The dip. Nice. Keith, choo 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 choo.
Set up the movie ride.
Prime time. How could you forget? We're waiting in the tuning lounge for her name to be called. What's on the menu?
Aunt Lizzie's fried chicken, Mum's favorite recipes, samples, Caesar salad salmon, Caesar salad chicken, Cousin Harold's veggie garden, sustainable salmon, Grandpa Jean's chicken pot pie.
I've been thinking about the pot pie, like.
Mum's old fashioned pot roast, Cousin Megan's meatloaf, blue plate special.
I think I'll look at the menu. There's fried chicken. Keith's got onion rings.
I ordered the side onion rings.
Yeah.
You know when he had... I wish I had them.
I know. I'll get some mashed taters. Sweet corn, definitely. That corn is lovely. So, forgot to finish the vlog last night. We had an awesome day yesterday. I think we made the most of the day, got out of the park really early. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, we were there by this time yesterday. We got at Animal Kingdom today, in case you're wondering. And you'll see that in the next vlog. However, summing up yesterday, yeah. We got all the rides that we wanted to do. We got Rise first thing. We got Slinky Dog next. Then, I can't remember, where did we go after that?
I think we can show Albert and Aerosmith.
Oh yeah, and we had to Beauty and the Beast, and we had food at the wee marketplace in Hollywood Studios. It's en route to Tower of Terror. Well, you went to Tower of Terror and it was too long, the queue?
It was like 70 minutes and there's no single rider, so I went on Aerosmith, single rider, half an hour later. That's the worst with Tower of Terror, there's no single rider, so I went down at what, 6 o'clock last night to this Tower of Terror?
Yep.
And it was like a 20-minute wait.
Yeah.
So time of day is the best thing for it. Time of day, definitely.
At 6 o'clock at night is when I went for my first Starbucks of the trip, and I got a mango and dragon fruit refresher, and it was lovely. Then we did single rider on Millennium Falcon. How long did we wait, Keith, for that?
The standby was 115 minutes. We done both of us single rider.
5 minutes.
Walked straight on.
Walk straight on, literally.
Cast member was like, party one, party one.
Party two, party two.
Party one, party two.
Okay, go in,
riders,
go in,
like,
go on. And that was us. We were the only ones in the queue for single rider. Yeah, and we chilled in the room for a wee while, but back at about half 5, just about 5. And then we did Minnie and Mickey's Runaway Railway,
yeah,
which was great fun. I probably wouldn't have waited the 40-50 minutes that we waited for it. However, it was great, loved it. It was a really cute ride. So, and then we were at the 50s Primetime Diner, and it was good fun again. That was about 8:05 at night. Yeah, good meal. Both had the fried chicken. So.
Oh, it was like a whole chicken, legs, breast, wings, thigh. It was like, and I foolishly ordered onion rings, but onion rings beat me. I had to leave 2.
It did. So, all in all, it was a really good day. Where did all in all come from? Oh my gosh. Anyways, remember to like, comment and subscribe. And remember, little adventures mean good times. Bye. Bye. Oh, look, Animal Kingdom Day.